Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Hit it from the back, back from the back, from the back, from the back, back from the back, from the back, from the back, back from the back, from the back, from the back, back from the back. What's up, my niggas? Hey, what's poppin', niggas? Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang, aka mukbang, whatever you wanna call it. Y'all call it mukbang, like that sounds so dumb. And I got some questions that y'all wanted to ask me. So this gonna be a Q&A, and don't mind that background noise, it's raining outside. Okay, so let me get my food out, you know what I'm saying? Spare ribs, this probably fucking dog. You know, this look like bird. Anyways, it's okay. I don't care who dog it is, who bird, who cat, who fish. That's good. That's all that matters. Y'all got me a combination plate with some. Who the fuck on? Who the fuck on? Why the fuck do I have this much? It should be more than. Okay, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool though. It's cool. It's cool. So I gotta say my little chorus or whatever. Yes. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat. I'm sorry. I'm gonna bust down like Tatiana. Got it. Hold on. God is good. God is great. Let me stop playing with God. God is good. God is great. Let's thank Him for food. By our hands, we all are fed. Thank you for our daily bread. Amen. So what's up, my niggas? How y'all been? How y'all been rocking, my nigga? Oh my god, yes. Hold up that. Hold up. Hold up for that. Hold up, let me. God damn. Hold on. Let me finish eating this piece of chicken. And I'll answer y'all questions. This chicken is cooking right now. You know, I ain't saying it's like, you know, it's like me. It's so delicious. Anyways. First question. This is a little easy. What's your favorite rapper / song? My favorite rapper, The Baby. That's The Baby. The Baby is my baby. Okay. I'm losing through with some bop in it. Okay. My favorite song, I would have to say Big Booty by Gucci Mane and Megan Thee Stallion. Okay. Hey, Big Lil West is heavy. Shoot the shit like jelly. Put me on your plate and flip that shit up like spaghetti. Okay. Anyways, yeah. They better not copyright my video for that. Because they did that the last time. I had to go back and take it out. Yeah. Yeah, no, don't do that. Be my baby, please. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Well, probably still in college, because what I want to be, it takes like 4 years. So I'm probably going to be like in my 3rd year of college. So, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm going to be on YouTube, and YouTube going to be my side job. Hopefully, I can't get it out. Okay, but calm down. Hopefully. Damn, what the fuck was I gonna say? Okay, hopefully. I can't fucking do this shit. I give up. Hold on. Hopefully. Oh, hopefully I'll be
getting a lot of money from YouTube. Let me take this earring out. Hopefully, I'll be getting a lot of money by it. Hopefully, I'll be getting money from YouTube by then. Well, a lot of money. Because, you know, these YouTubers, they be getting rich off of this. Like, let me find out. Yeah, I didn't see that. Anyways, but yeah. First fights. Oh, baby girl. I was only in second grade. I have to fight this girl named Makaya. Wait till y'all hear this motherfucking story. So, what was I saying? I forgot. I forget. Oh, my first fight. There you go. Boom. So, boom, baby. Okay. So, you know, I'm going to class or whatever. Because I think I went to go get, I don't know. I don't remember. Yeah. I went to go get something, and then I came back. Wait, what? What the fuck am I talking about? Hold on. I went to go get something, and then on my way back to class, I stopped by the restroom. So, you know, Makaya been my little friend or whatever, I guess you could say. She been with my dog, Talia. I still fuck with Talia this day. Makaya? I mean, I don't talk to her, but I got her on Snapchat. Anyways, that's besides the point. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just doing me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just being me. I just doing me. And then, boom. I think we've been laughing about something. And she gonna slap me. She said some kiki my rump. So cool. I said remember that. I remember that. So we get outside the next day, because you know this is like probably before we was finna leave, before dismissal. So we get outside the next day, recess. Boom. I say, oh, because I've been with my friend. I said, oh, that's that's Makaya over there by the monkey balls. And even like, excuse me, they was like, yeah, that's Makaya over there by the monkey balls. I said, okay, well, with that, we gonna go to the monkey balls. So we went to the monkey balls. I said, and I tell you it was on tomorrow. And I tell you it was on the day. I tell you that yesterday. And she said, Sam, she been laughing. And she was like, hi, killer. I said, hey, bitch. Boom. Start beating her. So then, she ain't been fighting back or whatever. So I've been like, why this bitch ain't fucking fighting back? And everybody in the background talking about some Jerry. I'm just like, what the fuck is in second grade? What the fuck I know about Jerry? Anyways, so then I remember her name because she be my granny friend, Dr. Dukes. Yes, bro. She had come and put me off. She was like, wait till I tell your grandmother about this. I said, well, bitch, tell her. The fuck? You know, I see all of that. I'm just saying, go ahead. I mean, I did nothing wrong. She put her hands on me first, so I mean, what's up? She called my granny, she called my mama. Dabbing that. And then she gonna come in, talk about something. My daddy this, my daddy that. Bitch, I don't give a fuck about your daddy. But anyways, yeah, she been saying all that rah-rah stuff. Like, girl, I'm in second grade. Okay, I was scared, but you know, we're not gonna talk about that. I was in second grade, okay? That's all I remember. Anyways, next question. First kiss. My first kiss was my first love named Danielle in fucking 7th grade. Boy, 7th grade was a year. 7th grade was a year, boy. So, we been a month. And before we was talking about this, because you know we was in 7th grade. And he been like, so am I going to get my kiss? Da, 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 da. I've been like, shit. I mean, that shit don't mean shit to me. But you know, I've been scared because I've been in 7th grade and that was like my only real boyfriend. And then I'd say we can catch on our first month of dating. And you're like, all right. So you know, I saying we thinking. At the end of school, he had to go to his bus, and the bus stairs by the exit to go to the bus loop. So he was like, I was hoping he wouldn't remember because I was scared. He was like, can I still get my kiss? I'd be like, okay. So that's when, boom. It was like a little peg. It was like that's how it was. And I was just talking about it. I was just talking about it the whole day, bruh. I was telling everybody was like, are you serious? It's just a kiss. But see, I don't know, that child. Anyways, I still talk to him to this day. That's my dog, whatever. Even though he did a bunch of shit. It's okay. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of him. My race, next question. My race. Well, looky there. I knew that was coming. I'ma just say this so y'all can know. I'm black and black. Well, my mama is black, my daddy black. My granny, that's where I get my skin color from, because she mixed with a bunch of stuff. Like, I don't know what she mixed with, bro. She mixed with Puerto Rican, Italian, Guyanese, all of that shit, bro. And some other stuff. I see so much pictures, I stopped keeping track. Like, she mixed with at least 6 things, bro. I stopped asking because I cannot keep up. And for the most part, I'm black. I mean, shit. Oh, this is a good question. Okay. If you could kill somebody right now, who would it be? No, I'll motherfucking you. I will kill my first love because I don't know. Because he did me wrong, bro. We broke up because he caught me cheating. Like, bitch, why did the fuck did you cut me? He caught me cheating, and I was like, okay, we're done, because why the fuck did you catch me cheating? I just playing. Nah. We broke up because, I don't know. I don't remember. But no, I wouldn't kill him. I will kill Pat Houston because she killed Whitney Houston. Anyways, if y'all don't know what happened, look it up. Would you rather have endless money or endless love? Fuck niggas get money, you know I'm getting that motherfucking moolah. Fuck you mean, bitch. What I need love for? Nothing lasts forever. Okay? Get that through y'all thick skull. And if y'all think y'all gonna be with the person y'all with right now, think again. Something will happen. I don't mean to bust your bubble or anything, but something will happen. Either they're gonna cheat, either you gonna cheat, or y'all just not gonna feel each other no more. That's that. Facts on facts, baby. Look at me. But yeah, nothing lasts forever. Love does. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, no. Anyways. Last question. And I'm just gonna talk about random shit. If you could star in a movie, what would it be? Friday. Cause I got that whole thing down pat. Smokey! Smokey back here taking a shit.
Hey, Smokey back here taking a shit! Damn!
Smokey back here taking a shit. What's another I don't remember another verse. I'm not verse. I think verse 3. What do you call it? Another line. So what's goody in the hoodie, my nigga? What's goody in the motherfucking hoodie, my nigga? Let me rap, y'all. Yeah, this food bussin'. Hold on. Yeah, this food bussin'. And I'll keep on hunting. And I keep on sucking. And I keep on clutching. Diamonds on me clutching. Money on me touching. Hey, 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 hey. Hold on, well. Hey, hey. Whoa, hey. Hey. That looked wrong. Let me stop. I was so depressed. I'm so depressed. One minute I be happy, one minute I be sad. Like, goddamn. What did I do? Y'all weird, bro. Has your daddy ever got his ass eat? No. I don't motherfucking think so. I don't know what I'm gonna do on my thumbnail. For my thumbnail. Hold up. This is my thumbnail. No. No. Let me practice. For when I go to school on Monday. Okay, so this one. Oh, cause I thought you was saying something. I thought you was saying something like, girl, stop. Like, girl, we can get a puppet and crack it, baby. It was like, no. I'm talking too much. Be like, boom, baby. I get my ass beat. Let me stop. I'm big like, I don't fight that Skittle. No, I ain't gonna do that. Be like, you see me? I am too pretty for the drama stuff. No. My bad. I can't do it anymore. I'm sitting down. About to eat my food. Okay, guys, so I'm done. I hope y'all enjoying.